Weather and clothing. Page number 82, science books. Page number 82, science books. Page number 82, science books. Weather and clothing. Now I was telling you different weathers we have. We have different types of weather, then we have different season, and as per the seasons we wear clothes. Weather, I told you, it changes from day to day. In a day, from morning to evening, afternoon, the weather changes. एक दिन में weather कितनी बार change हो सकता है, एक डे से दूसरे डे में weather change हो सकता है. लेकिन जो season होते हैं, seasons they last for a longer period. Weather can be windy, sunny, cloudy, rainy. ये सब different different types of weathers होते हैं. Windy, rainy, sunny, cloudy, अलग अलग weathers होते हैं. And then we have seasons. Season जो होते हैं, season I told you they last from a few.
Which page number?
Page number 83 and 84. We are going to start. 82 is the page number for the lesson. 82. Page number 82, Vani. Okay. So I told you season जो होते हैं वो लंबे टाइम के लिए लास्ट करते हैं for a few months, and we have different seasons: summer season, winter season, monsoon season, autumn season, and spring season. So there are 5 seasons. All of you show me your 5 fingers. Let's count them. I want to see your lips moving. Summer season. Parth, I want to see your 5 fingers and I want to see you repeating the words. Sit straight, Parth. Show me the 5 fingers. Summer season, winter season, monsoon season. All of you, I want to see your lips moving. I can see Manvi doing it. Then autumn season and spring season. Summer season, when it is very hot, बहुत गर्मी होती है, you like to wear light colored clothes, cotton clothes, and you like to sit in the AC or the fans or coolers, and we like to drink nice cold things. We like to enjoy all the things that are cool. Then winter season, when it is very cold, just now we are in the winter season, we wear woolen clothes. Listen carefully, children. We wear woolen clothes, caps, mufflers, scarves, jackets, cardigans, right? And then we like to have all hot things. We like to have hot coffee. We like to have hot tea. Then you have monsoon season, when it rains a lot. There's water everywhere, muddy puddles. And then children like to play. Some of them, they like to enjoy themselves in the water, in the muddy puddles, like Peppa does it in Peppa Pig. And then we have to wear raincoats. We carry umbrellas. Yes, Ahmed wants to say something. Yes, Ahmed? Okay, you're counting. Okay. So monsoon season we wear raincoats and we carry umbrellas. It rains very heavily. Then you have autumn season. Now listen carefully to this. Autumn season, AUTUMN. In this season, ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है ना ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. We like this season. And in this season what happened, most of the trees they shed their leaves. पेड़ों पे जो पत्ते होते हैं सूख जाते हैं, वो सब नीचे गिर जाते हैं. And then we have the spring season, number 5. Spring season is also a very nice season where you have all the trees filled with new leaves. पेड़ों पर fresh new leaves आती हैं, and you have beautiful flowers blooming in the spring season, children. स्प्रिंग सीजन जो फरवरी में आता है, उसमें बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फ्लावर्स सब तरफ दिखते हैं, ट्रीज पे फ्रेश लीव्स आ जाती हैं और सब चीज़ बहुत फ्रेश और अच्छा लगता है. दैट इज द स्प्रिंग सीजन. सो समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन, मॉनसून सीजन, autumn season and spring season. 5 seasons. You have to remember the names of these 5 seasons. And the weathers. Now let's revise the weathers. Cloudy, windy, rainy and sunny. The 4 weathers. Cloudy, windy, rainy, sunny, and then sometimes the days are cold. So cold days. Now, according to the seasons, we wear different clothes. Look at the pictures given over there, children. Clothes protect us from heat, cold or rain. When it is summer and hot, we wear cotton clothes. Summers, we wear cotton clothes. Summers, we wear which clothes? Parth, can you hear me? What kind of clothes do we wear in summers? Parth, I think you cannot hear me. Abdul? Yes, Abdul? Summer season, what kind of clothes do we wear? Can you hear me, Abdul? Taiba, can you hear me? Sidra, can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up, Sidra, can you hear me? Okay, so we wear cotton clothes in summers. They keep us cool. They are light colors and we get cotton from the cotton plant, children. Remember that, very important. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, when it is winter and cold, all right, children, there was network problem. There was some network problem. I've joined again. Now let's pay attention. Continue. Pay attention. We wear cotton clothes in summers. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We wear light colored cotton clothes in summers when it is very hot, and we get cotton clothes from the cotton plant. Cotton मिलती है हमें cotton plant से. All right. So we wear cotton clothes in summers, in winters. Come to page number 85. Look at the pictures there. Page number 85. Look at the pictures. When it is winter and cold, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We get wool from animals like sheep. सबको पता है हमें sheep से wool मिलता है. When it is the monsoon season, we wear raincoats and use umbrellas. Raincoats and umbrellas, they protect us from getting wet in the rain. बारिश में भीगने से हमें raincoat और umbrella बचाते हैं. During autumn and spring, it is neither too hot nor too cold. Autumn season में क्या होता है, ना बहुत गर्मी होती है ना बहुत ठंड होती है. So we can wear the clothes that we like. जो हमें पसंद है वो हम पहन सकते हैं. You can see the pictures of the clothes given here. Now see the picture. What is Tina auntie doing in the picture? There's a picture of Tina auntie. She is doing some knitting. वो बुनाई कर रही है. You can see the picture. Now wearing clean clothes is very important. Our clothes get dirty due to sweat and dust. We should change clothes regularly. The yellow box says you must change your clothes regularly because they get dirty because of the sweat and dust. So we need to wear clean clothes. Now look at the keys given there. Let's revise the green box. Weather of a place changes day to day basis. Seasons depend on the weather conditions at a given time. Seasons depend on the weather conditions at a given time. एक time के लिए season चलता है. Then we wear clothes depending on the weather conditions. हम लोग जो कपड़े पहनते हैं वो हम अलग अलग weather के according पहनते हैं. Right? Now, clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Now turn the page, come to page number 86 children. Page number 86. Page number 86. Circle the correct answer. Sidra, the first one. Sidra, can you hear me? When the weather is hot, it is a sunny day, rainy day, windy day, cold day. जब हमें गर्मी लगती है तब धूप बहुत तेज होती है, सनी डे होता है, या बारिश होती है, रेनी डे, या हवा बहुत तेज चलती है, विंडी डे, या ठंड लगती है कोल्ड डेज में.
cool days.
जब when the weather is hot, जब बहुत गर्म होती है तब सनी डे होता है. जब सूरज बहुत तेज चमक रहा होता है, बहुत गर्मी लगती है हमें, ये कब होता है? सनी डेज पर. सो ऑल ऑफ यू सर्कल सनी डे. SUNNY DAY. सनी डे. पुट अ सर्कल देयर. Next, number 2, Arjun. Arjun, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a cloudy day when the sky is overcast with cloud. जिस दिन cloudy day होता है उसमें sky में बहुत सारे क्या होते हैं? Dust, rain, clouds या snow?
Ma'am.
Bhavika, just wait.
Ma'am.
Yes, Arjun.
Cloud.
Clouds. Okay, good. Circle clouds. 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 Clouds.
Please, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavika.
जो ग्रीन ब्लॉक है उसमें सर्कल करना है.
Yes. Number 1 exercise A. उसमें आपको नंबर 1 सर्कल करना है सनी डे, और बी में आपको क्लाउड्स नंबर 3 वो सर्कल करना है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, सताक्षी. इन विंटर सीजन वी प्रेफर टू ड्रिंक. विंटर सीजन में हमें क्या पीना अच्छा लगता है? सताक्षी, कैन यू हियर मी? इन विंटर सीजन वी प्रेफर टू ड्रिंक. हमें क्या पीना अच्छा लगता है? हॉट सूप, वाटर, कोल्ड ड्रिंक.
Hot milk.
हॉट सूप. ओके. विंटर सीजन, ठंडी में हमें हॉट सूप पीना अच्छा लगता है. इन विंटर सीजन वी लाइक टू हैव हॉट सूप. सो सर्कल हॉट सूप all of you. Next, we use this in the rainy season. Woolen caps, umbrellas, gloves, skirts. Rainy season में ऐशिका हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you use in the rainy season जब बारिश होती है? Woolen cap, umbrella, gloves या skirts? सोच के बताइए. Umbrellas. Okay, circle umbrellas, children, and write over there. Learn. Write against that exercise. Learn. Okay, Alia, we finished with that. Now fill in the blanks. Next exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks.
Ma'am.
Number 2 exercise. Hot soup. Hot soup,
exercise
Sayansh.
जो अभी कराटे के
I will send you the
कीजिएगा।
pictures, children. Send the picture in the group, alright? In case you missed out, you can do it. Come to the fill in the blanks.
मैम
Ahmad, the first fill
नंबर
in the
सी
blank.
और डी कौन सा होगा?
Ahmad, the first fill in the blank. We use fans and coolers in the dash season. किस सीजन में हम फैन और कूलर यूज करते हैं? विंटर सीजन या समर सीजन? Ahmad,
समर सीजन।
summer season. Put a tick on summer and write over there summer. All of you write there summer. Okay, Aban, the next one. We use dash in the monsoon season. Monsoon season means rainy season. Monsoon season मतलब rainy season. हम jackets यूज करते हैं या raincoats?
मैम रेनकोट।
Raincoats, very good. So write over there, children, raincoats. Next, Mandvi. It is neither too hot nor too cold in dash. कौन से सीजन में ना ज्यादा ठंड होती है ना ज्यादा गर्म होती है? ऑटम या समर सीजन?
ऑटम।
Autumn, very good. Write over there autumn, children. AUTUMN. Write the correct spelling, please. Part the next one. Cotton clothes keep us dash. कॉटन क्लोथ हम लोग समर्स में पहनते हैं और वो हमें कूल रखते हैं या वार्म गर्म करते हैं?
गरम करते हैं।
कॉटन क्लोथ्स जो होते हैं बेटे हम लोग गर्मी में पहनते हैं जिससे हमको गर्मी नहीं लगती है. दे कीप अस कूल. सो राइट ओवर देयर चिल्ड्रन, कूल.
सही बोल रहे तुम.
एंड द लास्ट वन, अरेस्ट. अरेस्ट द लास्ट वन. फ्लावर्स ब्लूम इन द डैश सीजन. किस सीजन में बहुत से फ्लावर्स आते हैं? स्प्रिंग या ऑटम?
It's spring.
Very good. Write over there, children. Spring. All of you write there, spring. Now put learn against that exercise. And the pictures that are given over there. The picture number 1, 2, 3. First picture, windy, WINDY, windy. वहां पर 1 लिखिए, WINDY. Put over there 1. Second picture is summer, SUMMER. Put number 2 over there. And the last picture is rainy. Put number 3. RAINY, rainy. I'll be sending you the pictures, don't worry. I'll send you the pictures, children. You can complete your work. Those who have not been able to do it just now, I'll send you the pictures, then you can do. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers. Yes, Taiba?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Taiba?
मैम जो जो लास्ट वाला है ई वाला उसका आंसर क्या होगा?
स्प्रिंग. फ्लावर्स कब निकलते हैं? स्प्रिंग सीजन में. ऑलराइट, स्प्रिंग सीजन.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers. Oh God, I thank you for all the people and this beautiful world which makes such a difference in my life. Thank you for my school and for everything I learn here to make me able someday to earn my own living and to live my own life with your everlasting guidance. Help me to understand a little better all the wonderful things which you have given to me. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, class. Have a nice day.
Bye.